UNICEF, dear respected campus administrator, and dear attendees, good afternoon. I am Viateur Akuzwe, the Deputy to the President of this university, and I'm happy to be with you all. Shake your hands for me, guys. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this important gathering focusing with the aim saying that promote the skilling and upskilling among the youth. Allow me to welcome the campus administrator, to also welcome our guests of honor. Thank you.
Of the University of Rwanda, Huye campus. I welcome the guests from MIFOTRA, the guests from Ministry of Youth and UNICEF, and our beloved singers who are here. We have local singers and guest singers. Then, I would like to invite you to clap for us who are here and start our event with warming claps. Then, I will not speak much. Let me declare this event starting officially and welcome one of our guests to come here and share with us what they have for us. Clap for him.
Thank you, Innocent. Thank you, the audience. Good afternoon again. My name is Julien Uiraje. First of all, I'm your Campus College of Arts and Social Sciences alumni. I did sociology. I graduated in 2015. This is my home. I stand back here at home. At work, Minister of Public Service and Development, under Chief Skills Office in National Professional Internship Program. My colleagues, let's stand all together and come forward to introduce yourself to the public.
Once again, good afternoon. So my name is Jean-Marie Tuguzumuremi. I'm working for the Ministry of Youth and Arts. I'm in charge of recreation and talent development at the Ministry, of course. That's why you have seen me trying to entertain people. We are here, guys, to give you a very good news just about the digital systems. And of course, I'm with my colleagues and I'm standing just in front of you to make sure that you have something about soft skills. Soft skills is something that I've been telling about you. But at the end of the day, I'm going to be the MC, as I told you. MC Leonard, MC Machachari. Tutakuwa pamoja.
In 2019, that's when I graduated from monetary economics. Now I am data scientist in Chief Skills Office under MIFOTRA. Thank you.
I'm Charles Sanchizimana by names. I'm a software developer specialist in the Ministry of Public Service and Labor, MIFOTRA. Thank you.
Now it's fine. So this is university. We have to learn, and it won't be the same again. Okay? My name is Donna Ahmana. I'm with district staff in charge of employment promotion, and I'm the manager of Uye Employment Service Center and Uye Innovation Hub. I did monetary economics here from 2011 up to 2015, and I'm glad to be back here. So let's enjoy our moment. Thank you.